Okay, whakalawhalahiat. Anei taralong ki whakawhiwhiak ang tūtong te whini. This is a happy Mother's Day song for you. My mothers all on Facebook, especially my mum. Love you all. You take so much of it. You've been missing sleep, even though you're by my side. You're always with me. Can't you hear the beat of her heart? Listen, can't you hear the beat of her heart? Stuck in traffic, even though you're not far away, to take me home from school. Did I say thank you? You're always with me, but I said, can't you hear the beat of my heart? Oh, listen, can't you hear the beat of her heart? Oh, listen, can't you hear the beat of her heart? Oh, listen, I can hear the beat of her heart. Happy Mother's Day, y'all.